My name is Brian Wagers and I'm a sales professional. I got involved in real estate because I wanted to take control of building my wealth and my net worth. I didn't want to rely on my Roth IRA account or investing in a volatile stock market. My initial real estate strategy was to buy a single family home a year. After just one rental property, I realized the economies of scale weren't quite there. I knew that I wanted to find a niche, and listening to Michael Blank's interview on Bigger Pockets solidified the move to multifamily investing. I bought his apartment ultimate guide to buying apartments course in September of 2017 and bought my first 12plex in November of 2017. That first 12plex, I was able to raise $125,000 from family. Since that first deal, I've closed 10 more multifamily deals for 2018 to 2020, from 7 units all the way up to an 82 unit. Michael's programs and education gave me the know-how and are constantly giving me more good advice and tips to advance my career in multifamily. I've been able to retire my wife, and we're now part of the Platform Builders program. We're excited to take our money raising outside of friends and family and to go from what we currently own over 300 units. Now our new goal is over 1,000 units. So thanks again, Michael, for continuing to put out great content, and we look forward to being part of your team.